Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. Doing a bit of geocache maintenance today. One of my geocaches is showing lots of DNFs, so let's go and have a look. I have prepped a replacement cache in case the other one isn't there, the one that I originally sighted. We'll aim to get there quite quickly and do a time warp through the tunnel. And we're here. Yep, it had gone missing. So that's the last of those rock geocaches that I had. The ones with the little container in, you like the key safe ones. All of them gone. I don't know whether they've been muggled or whether just other geocaches have been really clumsy replacing them and then they've gone walkies. Anyway, so I've replaced that one and we'll see how that one goes. It's a bit frustrating sometimes. Yeah, a bit frustrating. But it's back in place. Hello again. Sorry if it's a little bit breezy on the old microphone. I'm recording this on my phone. Excuse me, so it might be a little bit jerky too. After sorting that cache out and replacing it, I went out for a walk and I noticed that about 800 meters from where I was, there was a geocache. So I thought, yeah, let's go and have a quick look, see if we can find it. I did actually do a geocache in this area a considerable time ago, which was a DNF, and I think it's the same one, but I think it's been moved. Might have a bit better look this time. It's over in the University Grounds campus, the East Campus in York. You can see the little blue dot moving around. That's me roughly centre screen there, heading towards the cache. What might present a problem here is the students milling around, student muggles. Look at those lilies, still blooming, lovely. Couple of bobbing swans. This is all a new build that's been going on over the last couple of years. Found it. Only snag is I don't have a pen, so I'm going to have to send the CO a photograph. But yeah, found it. That was a sneaky little rascal. Took me quite a while, but got there in the end. Alright, so that takes me to 176, I think. Thanks so much for watching. You take care. Cheerio.